Well, hello again. Hope you guys are doing well. Here's a wonderful new project with our line right. My lovely wife is making a few measurements there to make sure we align this up correctly. She's amazing with a ruler. There you go. That's right. Not just kids in school need those bad boys. We do it as an adult too. Here we have to the left is our wonderful align right template. Love this thing. It is so handy, especially when you're making some adjustments in your wonderful, what in the world do you call this thing anyway?
China buffet?
China buffet. As you can see here, this is one of the other templates that Align Right has. You can see it nice and neat and nice and level. So my wife is kind of putting it where she wants it. And then we'll mark the hole and we'll drill it right in. Where do you want to put that one?
I'm thinking the third one down. Wait, I think they're 3 inches. No, they're 4 inches. Okay.
Kind of figure out where you want it and we'll go from there. That looks pretty good right there. So which one is that one?
Up there, because that one we did. It's bent. Higher or right in the middle?
I like it right there. Where you had it.
Uh,
So this right here, correct? That right there. Looks good. Yeah. That looks pretty good. I think so anyway.
Yeah.
Alright. So you'll take the camera. I'll get the drill.
You know which one it was?
Yeah, I think so. And we can double check. Oh, okay. So you like this one here, correct? It'll be in that one. Yes, no?
Mm-hmm.
So we're thinking about right there.
Yeah.
And then that goes there and there, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's
And
see.
the thing is in the middle. Line it up.
Where's your
holes.
line? Your line holes right there. And as you can see, there's holes right here in the middle so you can make it to the center of your drawer. Where Wendy's already measured it out for us. We're doing this right here, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Let's make sure I've got my finger in there. Ha ha. So as you can see, let's see if I actually got it through there. I did not get all the way through. So I'm going to try it again. Go a little deeper this time. Okay, got it that time. Now we just keep it right over and we just slide over to the other hole. Right across here. Is that it right here, right there, correct?
No.
Let's see, three something.
Up one.
Right there, that one.
I think so. You want to check out the nub? It's right there.
Yeah, let's check it out. So here. Yeah, that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Our line right is just a little bit warped. Is that right there, correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll make sure I got all the way through. And I did. All right, so that one's done. And we'll do the next two the same way. And where's the screw back to that? Let's go ahead and put it in handles. We have 4 different screws, a shorter screw and a longer screw. And also our template has a very tiny hole, so we have to use a much smaller drill bit. It's actually a 5/64. So I'm going to use a bigger drill bit to make the hole a little bigger, 9/64, and then we'll put the screw in. so be it. I just put a screw in. I'm going to guess it's going to be the shorter of the two. And we just picked these up at a local store. I do believe we got these at, what was it, Home Depot or Lowe's?
One of those.
One of those. Local hardware stores take care of it. One of the things that could help you too is emptying your drawer. We have all kinds of stuff already in here, so this can be a lot of fun. There's no way I'm going to be able to tighten that up once I get in there. So we're going to have to, looks like I may have to make a bigger hole. Okay, that was not big enough. So I have to take off the drill bit from the 964 to a 532nd. Let's see if that'll work. Get your fingers away so it won't get hurt. Okay, let's see if it goes in there now. Just barely. Yeah, we're going to definitely have to empty the drawer so I can get a screwdriver in there. So I'm going to pull this out. As you can see, I got it emptied. I didn't dump it everywhere, although I really thought about it, but my wife was looking really hard at me. So we're going to drill it in. There's one. Drill the other one in as well. Then we'll put the handle on there, tighten it onto the handle, and hopefully it will work just fine. Notice I didn't scream. That's pretty good though. Okay, so we've made a mistake. Our lovely handle looks 4 inches, but when we actually look inside, so don't make this mistake. Make sure you look and measure how far the holes where the screw goes into, so you won't have the extra hole. Now what I'm hoping is, if you notice, what I hope is, it's going to cover up my mistake. How cool is that? So that's going to be the plan. So, shh, don't tell anybody I messed up. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to change the drill bit one more time to fit the Align Rights hole in the template here. Got to align it back up with a line my lovely wife made because she's really good at keeping things straight. And we set the second hole on the inside. Now what I want to double check is, you can kind of see here, line up the holes on that one and that one. So yes, that one on the outside and the 2 outside holes here and here. So let's try her again. Okay, let's try it one more time. Now we get back to our bigger bit to open up the hole so the screws can actually fit inside there. Well, the best thing about doing this, I can use a drill. Woohoo! Kind of reminds me of a certain tool man that used to be on TV. Anybody used to watch him? He was awesome. He always had a blast. Okay, I got the short ones again. Get my regular drill with the drill bit, Phillips screwdriver head on it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so we put our handle on. Let's see if it's going to fit in there. Sorry, I guess I'm letting you see that. I got a wonderful camera person back there. One of my girls, she's doing an excellent job. Of course, she has her own vlogs. She's doing great. Woohoo! Okay, we got that one on. at least started. We'll work on getting this one on. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, doesn't see my mistakes at all. How about that? Covers it right up. That's great. All right, well, we'll get the next couple of these done, and then I'll get another video here in just a moment, putting in this on the side, okay? Thanks a lot. This is for the cabinet door. Wonderful little knob's going to go on there. It's going to be beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of cool. You can already see the first knob. Doing really well. I'll work on the next those later, but I want to show you this one to you as well. So what we do, we get the line right. I got the drill bit, correct size again. My wife wants it from the second row down, second to the from left to right. And while I still have this drill bit on, so I'll have to keep changing it, we're going to step right over here, actually slide, and do the same thing here. Again, it's going to be second down, second from the side. That way we have the exact same one. Make sure my fingers are out of the way. All right, so I got those done. You can see the hole, and we'll make it a little bigger with a bigger drill bit, and we'll get the screw right in there. Give me just a second here, we'll get it changed out. Alrighty, let's see. I'll use a little longer screw on this one. Let's see how far it goes in here. It may not, still might need to be a shorter screw. How many screws I gave you in there? Where's the other pack you had? Remember one you already opened? Do you know what to do with the screws? Cool. Are they over there?
This is the one that,
There you go.
that was,
Oh, that's the other one. Okay.
Yeah.
Nope, I need a shorter one. Okay. Well, I'll just borrow one from a different one here.
I opened it a long time ago.
Oh, have you? Have to find a shorter one. That one's gonna
It's
stick
in
out
one
way
of
too
those up
far.
there.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to start it by hand. That way we want to, hopefully, strip it. There we go, tighten it up. Look at this. Nice and pretty. Look at there.
And it matches the other one.
Yes, it does. It is nice, isn't it? Cool. Well, I'm glad you guys got to check this out. Hopefully, in a little bit here, we'll have the rest finished project, give you a last shot. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care. All right, guys, here's a finished product here. You can see the nice new handles there, all the way around. All measured out nice and neat. Looks really good, doesn't it? I'll back it up here. You can see a little bit better. Kind of see what we were working with. Makes it look so much nicer.